A day in the life of a physiotherapist.
First thing I do at work is to check my schedule for the day and to call my patients to confirm their appointment. Every now and then, I usually have discussions with my colleagues to discuss about certain patients and their conditions. It's actually very good to get second opinion as it gives me new ideas for better treatments for my patients. With my first patient of the day here, we basically start off with some history taking, which is some sort of interview to understand how they are affected, how they are, and how they are responding to treatment. So Joe here is having back pain for the past few weeks, and it's been bothering his daily activities. After assessing Joe, we've concluded that one of the major culprits causing him such discomfort is a muscle located on his lower back. We'll treat that area and hopefully Joe will feel better right after this. As a physiotherapist, my job is not only to treat the pain, but to help them regain quality of life, to have them perform what was not possible because of the pain they were facing before the matters. Every now and then we have students coming, getting attached to the center, and it is our responsibility to guide them as much as we could, as they will be part of our future.
After lunch break, if I've got no patience, I'll probably just sit down, read a few books. After work, I'll head out for dinner and maybe meet up some friends, meet up with my colleagues. We'll go out and have fun, play some bowling, play some darts, play football, anything to just relax and have fun. Because at the end of the day, if we're not having fun, we're not truly living life.